Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2023 Toyota Yaris. This is the hybrid Luna model, finished in a red Pearlescent paint. It's got the low-under road tax, it's got a full Toyota service history, and it's hold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now, we'll take the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard, with the 15-inch multi-spoke alloys, excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork also. It's got a nice sized boot for a hatchback, protected boot liner, fold-down seats, keyless entry, ISOFIX for the 2 car seats in the back. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior with front armrest, electric windows and mirrors, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, keyless start, air conditioning, USB port, automatic handbrake, automatic gearbox, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's got the reversing camera, Toyota SOS function, and there's 47,559 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this vehicle to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.